Hey guys, it's Vespid here, and well, just a quick little vlog. It's been a long time since I've done something, so, well, I had this grill. See this grill here? Yeah, that's my case. Alright, so open it. And if you look closely, there's birds in there. Little baby newborn birds in the grill because close it, because there was something jamming the grill and it wouldn't open. So this is really the back thing, you know, for it to lift up. So the bird flew in there. We just saw it, so we were like, oh, let's go check it out. And we got to unjam. So like the bird would fly in there and nest its young down there. It's so weird. I mean, we're not gonna mess with it or anything, but like, it's so weird. Birds like are all over this yard. There was some in the blocks up there, and then there's some in there now. Like, it's just weird to me. It's just weird, right, Ace? Ace, where am I? Where is he? Acey wants to see the birds. So you can eat them, but you're not going to. Huh, Acey? Did you see the birds? Did you? Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that because it was really, really interesting. There was just birds sitting there in the grill. So, that's gross. But, like, it was gross, but interesting. There was just birds sitting there in the grill. Alright, fine. Anyway, guys, that's just all for now. Oh crap, my leg. Anyway, guys, that's all. Finally gonna do my outro, but that's all for the birds down on there on the grill. Vespid out.